Guys, yesterday class continuation. Yesterday I didn't give solution for that answer. Now take the solution for that problem. Finally, what I concluded there, y power x bracket of x by y into dy by dx plus log y plus x power y into y by x plus log x into dy by dx plus x power x into 1 plus log x equal to 0. I stopped here. Then what you do means finally what we have to show here means dy by dx value. So multiply this term to this one. So what happened? Y power x into x by y into dy by dx plus y power x into log y plus x power y into y by x plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus x power x into 1 plus log x. This term should keep like this only because in this term we don't have any dy by dx term. Now dy by dx terms keep left side. dy by dx terms keeps left side. That means, and observe it here, it is y power x by y. Y power x by y means it is look like a power m by a power n. A power m by a power n means a power m minus n. Now this term becomes x into y power x minus 1 into dy by dx plus y power x into log y plus x power y minus 1 into y. The same phenomena, guys. This is a power m by a power n. Nothing power means just 1 is there. So it acts as a power m by a power n. X power y minus 1 into y plus x power y into log x into dy by dx plus x power x 1 plus log x is equal to 0. And what I said, dy by dx terms keep dy by dx keep left side. That means x into y power x minus 1 dy by dx plus x power y into log x into dy by dx, which is equal to minus y power x log y minus y into x power y minus 1 minus x power x into 1 plus log x. And take dy by dx common. Take dy by dx common. dy by dx common means, what do you get? X into y power x minus 1 plus x power y into log x. And in all these terms, take minus common. You will get y power x into log y plus y into x power y minus 1 plus x power x into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. Finally, dy by dx is equal to minus bracket of y power x into log y plus y into x power y minus 1 plus x power x into 1 plus log x divided by x into y power x minus 1 plus x power y into log x. This is the resultant of yesterday's last problem solution. So simply don't stop by keeping all the values like this. What you do means finally from this problem he is asking dy by dx. So what you do means multiply this term to this up to this term. This is multiplied up to this, but no need of multiply this one because of in this expression there is no dy by dx. That's why you should keep like this as it is only, and remaining terms you should take. Finally we solved like this. Finally we got the answer. Dy by dx equal to minus of this part. Clear guys? And conclude it. And now I am going to give solutions to your exercise. Now exercise 5.5 problem. The first one is y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Here in generally, if it is two terms means you can calculate directly f of x into g of x. It is three term. Three terms also you can use f of x into g of x into h of x. Somewhat difficult to understand it. So what we are doing means by applying logarithm, how we have to solve this problem? Observe it. Apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. Now it acts as a log of AB formula. Log of AB formula means this is as it is, log y is equal to log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Now all these terms look like log x. So now you can apply differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx of log y is equal to dy dx of bracket of log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x. Now this is 1 by y into dy by dx, and the derivative apply to individual. Log cos x plus dy by dx of log cos 2x plus dy by dx of log cos 3x. Now equal to dy by dx of log x means what we are writing 1 by x, but it is not x. Again we are continuing the derivative d by dx of cos x. This is also 1 by cos 2x into d by dx of cos 2x plus 1 by cos 3x into d by dx of cos 3x. Cos 3x. What happened here? That equal to, so this 1 by y dy by dx will continue. 1 by cos x into d by dx of cos x means minus sin x plus 1 by cos 2x. D by dx of cos 2x means minus sin 2x, but in the place of x it has 2x. That's why again we are continuing the d by dx of continue the differentiation, and plus 1 by cos 3x into minus sin 3x into d by dx of 3x. This is we are applying the chain rule, and is equal to minus sin x by cos x plus that is minus sin 2x by cos 2x into 2, because d by dx of 2x means 2 will come, and minus sin 3x by cos 3x into 3. 1 by y dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to, take minus common, y bracket of sin by cos means tan x plus 2 into tan 2x plus 3 into tan 3x. Otherwise, generally, you can write like this. Otherwise, you should keep like this and take LCM, and you can cancel with y in the sense minus cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x bracket of tan x plus 2 tan 2x plus 3 tan 3x. You can conclude like this. Otherwise, do one thing in this concept. Take LCM for these three terms. You will get the denominator cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. And already you will get cos x into cos 2x into cos x. This term will cancel. Numerator answer will come minus sin x into cos 2x into cos 3x, like that. Terms will come. So any manner you can conclude it. Finally, we shown dy by dx is equal to minus cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x tan x plus 2 tan x plus 3 tan x. By observing the textbook answer, you can follow it. Otherwise, nothing will happen. You can write like this also. So this is a way to solve of this problem. The next one is second problem. Y is equal to root over x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 x minus 5. So already we did one example by following up that method. We are solving this problem, that is bracket of x minus 1 x minus 2 by x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 whole power 1 by 2. Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log bracket of x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 whole power 1 by 2. Here we are applying the formula log a power m. Log a power m means m into log a. M into log a. Like that we are applying in this place. Again this term is look like log a by b. Log a by b. Log a by b means log a minus log b. Log a minus log a means like this. Log a minus log b, and which is equal to 1 by 2 bracket of, guys, it is look like log ab. Log a means we can write log a plus log b. And this is also we can write log a plus log b plus log c, like that we write. By multiplying minus, directly I am writing here log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. This is the problem. Now already this term is log y. Log y. So differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of log y is equal to, I am writing directly 1 by 2 d by dx of log of x minus 1 plus d by dx of log of x minus 2 minus d by dx of log of x minus 3 minus d by dx of log of x minus 4 minus d by dx of log of x minus 5. So because it gives more steps now, that's why I'm giving the directly, guys. Generally we are applying d by dx of this term and d by dx of complete part. This complete part we have to write, but directly I have applied this one because already you are habit to write how we have to apply differentiation to the terms. Next continuation, 1 by y into dy by dx, which is equal to half bracket of d by dx of log of x minus 1 means 1 by x minus 1 into d by dx of x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 into d by dx of x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 into d by dx of x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 into d by dx of x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5 into d by dx of x minus 5. X minus 5. What do you get, guys? 1 by 2 bracket of 1 by x minus 1 into derivative of x minus 1 means 1, guys, because x derivative 1, constant derivative 0, 1 minus 0 means 1, plus 1 by x minus 2 into this is also 1, 1 by x minus 3 into this one also 1, minus 1 by x minus 4 into 1 minus 1 by x minus 5 into 1. So what you write here means 1 by y into dy by dx. Then dy by dx is equal to y by 2 bracket of 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. X minus 5. Then what is the value of y given problem? Given problem means dy by dx, y means, so 1 by 2 right outside and x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x minus 3 into x minus 4 into x minus 5 bracket close 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 2 minus 1 by x minus 3 minus 1 by x minus 4 minus 1 by x minus 5. So 1 by 2, this is y value, and remaining what you calculated, those values, and this is the answer of second problem. And next, third one, guys, y is equal to log x whole power cos x. Y is equal to log x whole power cos x. So apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of log x whole power cos x. Log y is equal to cos x into log of log x. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of cos x into log of log x. So d by dx of log y is equal to d by dx of cos x into log of log x. Guys, again it is look like f of x into g of x. D by dx of f of x into g of x means this one is 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to cos x into d by dx of log x plus log x into d by dx of cos x. Log x into d by dx of cos x. And 1 by y dy by dx is equal to cos x into d by dx of log x means 1 by log x into again d by dx of log x plus log x into minus sin x minus sin x. Dy by dx is equal to y bracket of cos x by log x into d by dx of log x means 1 by x and minus sin x into log x minus sin x into log x. Y means problem is log x whole power cos x bracket of cos x by x log x minus sin x into log x log x. This is the resultant of dy by dx of the third problem. And fourth one, guys, y is equal to x power x minus 2 power sin x. And in this problem, don't apply logarithm on both sides. Why? Because if you are applying log on both sides means here you will get the log y and the log of x power x minus 2 power sin x. But what you have log a by b means we can write log a minus log b. But log a minus log b which is not equal to log of a minus b. Clear, guys? Log a minus log b is not equal to log of a minus b. Log a minus log b means it is log a by b. So don't apply here directly logarithm on both sides. So what you do? Just again consider the function into like this. Y is equal to u minus v. Y is equal to u minus v. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to du by dx minus dv by dx. This is considered as equation 1. Equation 1. Y is equal to u minus v. And like this you can consider u minus v. Differentiate with respect to means dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx, because here y, u, v act as a dependent variable and x only independent variable. That's why we are getting expression like this. Now consider u is equal to x power x. U is equal to x power x. U is equal to x power x means base is variable and power also variable. Now in this situation we have to apply log on both sides. Log on both sides. Log u is equal to log x power x. Log u is equal to log x power x. Log u is equal to x into log x. X into log x. So differentiate with respect to x. D by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of x log x. D by dx of log u is equal to d by dx of x log x. That means 1 by u into du by dx is equal to x into, so 1 by u du by dx is equal to x into d by dx of log x plus log x into dy dx of x. Clear, guys? So this is f of x into g of x. Like that I applied. That is 1 by u into d by dx of x into d by dx of log x means 1 by x plus log x into d by dx of x is 1. And du by dx is equal to u into bracket of x will cancel here. 1 will get, that is 1 plus log x. And what is u? U means already we consider u is equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. This is second one. This is second one. And next, one more consideration is v is equal to 2 power sin x. V is equal to 2 power sin x. So here you can do two ways. One thing is apply log on both sides. Otherwise, if you are feeling it is a power x means since d by dx of a power x. A power x means already we calculated in example a power x into log a. This formula you can apply directly. So okay, now I am taking directly here because in the place of a, other than 1 0 negative values you can take 2 10 something like that, any number you can take. It is look like a power x. A power x means our problem is a power x into log a into d by dx of x. So like that here we are taking differentiate directly. Differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 power sin x. So a power x means you are telling a power x into log a. But in the place of x we have some other function. That's why we are taking d by dx of sin x. That means 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. This is the resultant of dv by dx. 2 power sin x into log 2 into d by dx of sin x means cos x. There x means d by dx of x means 1. That's why we are not writing anything. A power x into log a. If it is x means d by dx of x means 1. That's why no need to write. But here some other function, that's why we are writing. Otherwise you can apply log on both sides and calculate also. Nothing will happen. So this is considered as a third one. Third one. 2. That means 2 and 3 in 1. 2 and 3 in 1. In 1 means dy by dx is equal to du by dx value is x power x into 1 plus log x minus, and dy by dx value is 2 power sin x into log 2 into cos x. Cos x. Guys, if you have any idea, just I'm giving one problem, that is fifth one. Y is equal to x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole power 4. And just I'm giving hint to you, hint in the sense apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. You will get log y is equal to log of x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole cube, x plus 5 whole to the power of 4. And what you get means log y is equal to log of x plus 3 whole square plus log of x plus 4 whole cube plus log of x plus 5 whole to the power of 4. And log y is equal to, this is look like log a power m. That means 2 into log of x plus 3 plus 3 into log of x plus 4 and 4 into log of x plus 5. This is the hint for fifth problem, and from here onwards you can solve, apply the differentiation on both sides, then solve this problem, you will get the answer. So guys, somewhat this is the in this exercise problems are somewhat lengthy. So if I'm giving 4 problems, 5 problems, don't bother about the number of questions. Try to understand perfectly. Try to understand perfectly. Okay, guys. Thank you.